Smart Lab. So today we're going to see how to make a bootable drive with the help of Rufus. Now we're going to download the operating system named Linux Mint, since it's one of my favorite Linux operating softwares. So the latest version of Linux Mint would be Cinnamon. Now let's see how to check our bits in the laptop. So just find out properties of the laptop. Let's go to this PC and right click it, which will get an option to go to the properties of the laptop. In this you can see that we have a 64-bit laptop. So you can download the 64-bit link. Now I'm going to show you how to download Rufus. So when you go to the group official website, you can see an image which briefly explains you how to handle Rufus. Rufus is a very simple software. As soon as you run it, convert Rufus to administrator. Then you have an option to go to device in the drop down and select your bootable USB. Then select the boot ISO file which you have downloaded. In this case, it's a Linux Mint. And then click on start. There's no other thing which you have to change in this. It's as simple as that. Now, to catch up in this next series on how to install Linux Boot, stay tuned to Smart Lab. Let's all stay safe and stay home at this Corona time, and let's keep on inventing things. Thank you to one and all.